Hello everyone, welcome back to Hill's Kitchen Book. Today I'm sharing a very easy, delicious and healthy breakfast recipe, a colorful vegetable omelette. It is packed with fresh vegetables full of flavor and takes only a few simple ingredients to make. This omelette is perfect for breakfast, a light lunch or even a quick evening meal. So, let's get started. Now I'm cracking the eggs into a bowl. I'm adding a little salt and some black pepper for seasoning. Beat the eggs really well until everything is nicely combined. This will make the omelette light and fluffy. Now heat a pan and add a little oil. Once the oil is hot, pour the egg mixture. I am adding here some grated carrots. Now I am boiling the potatoes and long beans until they are nice and tender. Also I am adding here boiled long beans, green chili, boiled potato, spread all vegetables gently and evenly. You can use any vegetables you like or have available at home. I am adding here a pinch of salt to taste. And finally, I am adding some chopped onions. Just add your favorite vegetables and make this delicious omelette your own. Now let it cook over medium low heat. Now I am spreading red chili powder for taste. And here is our easy and delicious vegetable omelette. A simple breakfast made with eggs and fresh vegetables, but the result is incredibly tasty. For poor people, just 2 eggs were enough to make such a lovely breakfast. Is not that amazing, friends? Dear friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, And don't forget to subscribe to Hills Kitchen Book for more delicious homemade recipes. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next recipe. Bye bye. Take care.